I'm Ron Bellin, call sign Reaper01, from the hit TV show Reaper Outdoors Survive the Hunt. I was a Navy SEAL for 25 years, and I had the honor to serve with Matt Axelson, who died in 2005 in action, Operation Red Wings. Today, I'm out here test firing his tribute weapon, the SPR Special Purpose Rifle, Matt Axelson Dedication Rifle, 5.56. We're going to put it through the test, see how smooth it is, see how accurate it is, and just see how good his brother did with this rifle. It's Reaper01 on the weapon. We just got done traveling from Louisiana all the way to Houston. We're going to link up with a good friend of mine and teammate, Marcus Luttrell. You all might know him by Lone Survivor.
Got a target about 110 yards out. This is my first shot with the Axelson Tactical. Man, that is real smooth.
When our family decided to build this tribute rifle to honor Matt, his teammates, and the Night Stalkers that perished that day, we wanted it to be a symbol of that brotherhood all the men shared, a tribute housed in the tool they used to keep each other safe. The engravings on this rifle symbolize each of the brothers lost that day, as well as the joint forces that were involved in the rescue and recovery of the men. For without the dedication of all in the aftermath, we might never have known the story.
You see that thing blow up? Fucking neighbors think there's a war going on over here.